Yeah, man, when you see them ladies up on social media, cuss and a go on still a work, them a work now, them a make money off it, you see it still, but you don't know, me don't know why them bad man, them one nether have always have things to say about them one nether, you see it, me just feel like them if you just get a ring and get two gloves and then go box it out and say, oh, bother for I be a badness them lady are pushing and going like them wicked you see it. So I go on when they depend welcome forward to the channel you see it. And if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload. You don't know Miss Bling and Momo they are dash a fire upon Miss Bling you see it. She they a class and I tell her say yo she never stay proper yet you see me. Yeah man, we just go forward now video now to enjoy it we can hear what I go on and see what I go on you see.
So hear what? Dirty foot, Miss Bling. Bad wig, save Miss Bling. Miss Bling, me never see and you look good blood clot yet. Me never see. Remember say I forgot on the bomber clot computer with bomber clot makeup on. Me want you take off the wig, take off the ear, and cam the fuck up without makeup on and we can have a conversation. Dog shit. Remember say one time I only thing you did I run down the Batman them, all the Batman them reject you and you still not reach nowhere. But when I go viral for talk people business, talk your business and beat me. Talk your blood clot business and beat me. Me not say you hate me from the time I go up there with Amari and Amari talk your business and I said what Amari said was true. Me not say that time the Amari was not trolling and she was telling the truth. That's what if I talk about. Oh no big woman, me not like when you not kill this blood clot man and talk to me. Left other people for cuss me, but Bling don't talk me, don't call me name. All if you call me Lolo, don't call me name. Cause when me Lolo, me still a better blood clot girl for you. Me a hot girl compared to you. You have to talk about, oh, me a hot girl. You live in a blood clot apartment. You cube up a blood clot New York. It's funny how y'all want to go to Jamaica and go in at the Jamaican people, them big blood clot house. Oh, no, live nowhere. All when me live in my car bigger than for you want to pussy clot. Bigger than your space. Did you upgrade the old Benz yet? Eh? Me don't know what the fuck y'all call me. Where y'all mention me for? Even if somebody come on your platform and mention me for mind your business, come me licking at your face in a real life as a blood clot bad girl. Come love for don't act like nobody now. Come me love for pull up and when no bad. That are just me. Come me in a New York for the regular my place that. Me like when you run off with the mouth so we can put on the camera and tell you to come outside. Cause one thing me make everybody know where me there. Pan a regular. Me tired of look a fuck out waste people act like on the bad pan the internet and call people name, but you're not about that life. Not too much on me, you tree belly bitch. Not too much on me, you tree belly bitch. Not too much on me that had a man in the house fucking her daughters and was ready to ship off her daughter instead of kick out the nigga cause them on a desperate for man. Not too much for me when me say your last baby father beat out your blood clot. But time for telling us so when me hear on a real business, me not look back for oh no. When me hear on a real business, when I hear on a dog shit's real business as bloggers, where the story stink a blood clot road, where the have man beat out to the blood clot, where the have man fuck on the children them, me not to play with uno. So then from then come here say for the sub ball on the internet then with people business, I uno wanna spoil. The only thing is left for me for lick on her face. So you're gonna come outside, yes or no? And if you're not gonna come outside with your 3 blood clot belly so me can kick your belly up in your chest to add to the breast meat. Don't call my name. Dog shit. You have bigger problem than me. TikTok I gonna shut down America. What the fuck y'all gonna do? You're gonna be back on Instagram begging again. Or I don't have to survive off of any followers. None of these niggas, I don't, and I'm grateful for those who send things when I don't send things. But none of these motherfuckers make my life start or stop. That's why as a blood clot Uber driver on the naga, I have to hear me about, top side rails, top side. Oh, me need look at this, me look at that. You want, coming like blood clot ambulance. You can't keep a blood clot, man. When me go fuck man a blood clot Jamaica, me can't afford for fuck blood clot boy at Jamaica. And as you hear them say me a blood clot girl, cause me never spend the money when me down there. So yeah, as a blood clot girl, me can't go, me not forgot Jamaica, forgot mine man, I find man, I pick up blood clot man. That's all on a blood clot do walk with the pussy pan the floor. But from you have man where fuck out your daughter and the household, and you make defects come blood clot, take her out and you go remove her. You get a marry back her $600 blood clot dollar yet? Eh? You get a marry back her bomber clot money yet, and that you for worry about. And that you for blood clot worry about. You worry about everybody business but for your own. Wipe off the makeup and come up. Give me a tour of your apartment. Remember say we have houses many a times we show. Give me a 360 of your blood clot apartment, Blinger. Where your baby father them, where your children father, are they active in their life? When you go to Jamaica, who have your pity them? Are they safe? What are they doing? That's if for blood clot worry about. Other run down blood clot man. Run down people blood clot business what you wanna spoil. Yeah, keep court case so your pussy where the man kick up and beat out your blood clot Blinger. And that if you keep court case keep court case so your blood clot tree belly them where all this money you still can go get tummy talk. I pay cheap here, do you enough? You hear them the braid to two? You have to put it up in a one little ponytail with the wig as a blood clot here, just me never seen a good blood clot wig yet from the day my born I'm over here. Me never seen a good blood clot wig. You make Destiny draw down your pussy tongue the other day and say you have a 19 blood clot 60s wig. Not even a hot girl them back in a dancehall queen back in the other days from Vinette and blood clot Colleen them did I wear them blood clot wig there. All of them have on the plastic synthetic wig with the color it never looks so. Blinger, allow me here. Cause I pull up. Cause I like to do real content. I really make your ass go viral, bitch. I really make your ass go viral. I tell you, New York is my place. They don't put handcuffs on me. They call the ambulance when I fuck people up. Bring me down to Creedmoor. That's where they bring me, bitch, on Hillside. Wrap me up in a little jacket for 3 days and feed me with pill on the 3rd day after 72 hours but out. Judge dash out case. So you see when I live in New York I run off for the blood clot mouth, I always like for pull up. That are the truth. I mean a Yankee so I have nowhere for blood clot go back to. When you see people asleep and I look for you, don't call my name. I know say you been one call my name, you know, come here hot blood clot topic, you know. I remember say you don't have no topic without call other people name. You ever see nobody sit down and start topic for you yet? The only time your name call when you in a people business and you have a little opinion. Yeah, me love. Yeah, me love. Remember the time when you try rush blood clot me go up on your page Bling and say where you depend. Oh, me not argue with you. Ray, and you block me. So why y'all bitches wanna call my name? Y'all block me, bitch. You not even about that life, nigga. Everything me do, me do brawling. When me tell boys, I'm gonna box them blood clot. When me see them, me serious. When me tell a girl, to me lick them in them blood clot face, me serious. As a blood clot, mad girl. You see, bitches like me don't start trouble. Cause we know where the fuck we could take it. But it be dirty ass bitches like y'all now that don't have no substance. That real business is spoiling. No man, a woman can't come on internet to them beat me yet, you know. Figure it out. Them say your man beat out your blood clot and knock out teeth, Blinger, your baby father. My children's father would never do that to me. My children were made in love. And they respect me as the mother of their children. They would never beat me, bitch. But your baby father beat out your blood clot because use a whore. Use a blood clot or the man not even know if the pitney them a fee one. That's the problem, you're a whore. And when you fuck out your whore and you get beaten and you try to do passive bullying to other people. But I love it. Don't call my name, Blinger. You see, when people come on my platform and call your name, my name, you just shut up and make them blood clot talk and do your job. Judges are fucking quiet. Them give verdict. Them not chat right through. Right now, you need to chat about your failure of a pussy. That you need to chat about. But tired for telling you when a tax time when I think so you can size up with me because I get like a tax money in a gal. You see the little tax check one you get for the little 2 and 3 pitney where you get $2,000 credit, you have 4 pitney, 2,000 times 4 $8,000. Me make an average of 7 grand a month to drive Uber, depending on my blood clot drive for the 3 weeks them. Cause everybody knows I'm go add 3 weeks, I'm a vacation 1 week out. How it go? So the little one blood clot tax check gonna get feel like gonna can hype up with me. Blinger, you can't size up. Have a seat, yeah? Cause I never call your name before. I don't know why me I call your name now. Don't Lolo, no, Momo, whatever you want, blood clot call me. I will slap the shit out of you, dog face bitch. I told y'all bitches when y'all ain't take off the makeup, look in the mirror and circle me the fuck back, you fat bitch. You a fat bitch. I'm little bitch. Even when these niggas think I'm fat on here, I'm little bitch. You really fat nigga. I see when O'Neal put up that picture with the beach, nigga. I thought a seal came out the water. Your shit bad in the blood clot. Your shit fuck up. Your look fuck up. Your shit fuck up. You fuck up when you make man fuck your pitney them, molest your pitney them, and you keep him in the house. There's nothing for me and you to talk about. Because if one thing I hate worthless mother. My ear to no look a fuck out mother. You know see my daughter just blood clot call me and me I talk to my daughter full of blood clot love when she not majesty. Your one get fucked by your man in the house and you ship her off of Florida. And you not even have the money for fly out. You have to call her Mary for the blood clot money for make a Mary come online and trace out your blood clot for the little $600. You give back the $600 yet? I don't have to worry about the time you got Jamaica for mine blood clot boy. Watch out. Man done pa una offering. Cause right now, man, I cost me say me go all the way to Jamaica for go fuck man, I have man. But man done pa una offering. Why no man want to the offering? Eh? Oh, why can't you cook? Oh, then again, cause one can send a little $100 a week time to the man and the man them want to kind of for pay for the fuck them. When I for pay for keep them. You think them boy are stupid in the ear? Them say me broke and hunger, me supposed to broke and blood clot hunger, cause me I keep every blood clot thing. You know one man blood clot man fuck out. Yo, love me here. Unless you go come outside. You see, if you go come outside, we can talk. And if you not come outside, just keep by your mouth. You understand with me? Blinger, you're nobody. You're nobody. That is just the truth. Nobody don't remember you if you don't talk people business, Bling. Nobody don't know you. They want to follow you for hear people business. Them not really fuck with you. No one gives a fuck about you. You need for, but the thing is, you see the one that will mind people business when on a real business as well. Me hate to know. Me hate to know. What if I hide on the face like King Mix Up, Pink Wall, hide them identity and them something there. And bad to bad, we never see a Pink Wall and King Mix Up like a really drag nobody. Them talk with them ear, them talk with gossip and thing like that. You understand? And there were reposts where people put up a repost where a person say, you know, I always want to have an opinion about everybody life and your shit fuck up. You're not the first world country, they're America. And if the government shut down tomorrow, what you gonna do? If there's no Section 8 or welfare or food stamps, how are your children going to eat? Those are the things you need to worry about. The time here, now all of a sudden you tell the TikTokers them to save their money. No, bitch. I true you not say TikTokers shut down America and that you for blood clot. Worry about all that goddamn. Worry about all your goddamn blood clot food, blinger. Worry about all your pitney them and got blood clot survive. Can you see me? One thing. You see, if tomorrow the government say all I want to have to come off for welfare, don't have a problem. If children gonna have the same fucking lifestyle because we don't know what that shit is. You know what I'm saying? You see, my opinion them, they're in soccer. Not soccer, sorry, football. With the football, them have a new football with the tag on it. Can't remember the flag football. My opinion them flag football. ROTC military. In the band. track star, cheerleader, extra curriculum. Those things cost money. I live in the state of Georgia, you broke bitch. The time where you sit down on blood clot live, you need to go talk to your pitney them and find out how they really living, how they really feel. How they feel to know that you had a man in the house fucking off your blood clot daughter. How them feel? How them feel for know so she can't even have peace and she come on live and her business go everywhere. Because before you keep your pitney and put out the man, you go borrow 6 bills from Amari. That if you worry about all the TikTok kid and that, you not pay back Amari or blood clot 6 bills yet. And you over there about Lolo. Lolo, no, nobody knows 6 bills though. I tell you that. When me owe man money, thousands and 20 blood clot $1,000 because my pussy expensive. You know see how you look? Blinger, you're the only person on social media who dress like granny in a few age group. And then you get upset when them start drag you. Anytime them start drag you, Blinger, you get upset. And the first thing we go at your looks them. Look how you look. Look how you look like mash up crackers, Blinger. Step out of the car for you, Blinger. What? Make a step out the car for you, Blinger. Blinger, hold on. Make a step out the car for you, Blinger. Blinger. Hey, yo. Blinger. 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 Look, I got everybody with stretch box and all. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole face, bitch. Stretch marks and all, bottle, cellar lights. You couldn't do that by your worst, dear. Look how you look. Why not always want bother the people them where I mind them blood clot business? Hey, Blinger? Your name Blinger, I never see you with a real piece of jewelry on your neck yet. I buy pure fake blood clot jewelry for Amazon. But this is my real blood clot chain. Baguettes. That's why it not change. The permanent call when me wear the fake one them for Amazon. Your name Bling, I never seen no good jewelry or good blood clot clothes yet. Oh it go. You stay bad, you fuck. Me never look by you and say, yeah, you look nice. The time RT invite you to him, good blood clot bashments. I me see you, me shame like dog when me see the frack where you have on. Ask the RT them, all when me and him now blood clot chat, when me come and party up here, Amazon dress my blood clot have on. And I switch my dress 3 times because people are hug me and makeup I go up on my clothes and my man did that and him help me put on my stockings and me all did a breed because I did have a little belly where uno never know. So me never did a drink and them something there. With the blood clot do you Blinger? Oh your name Blinger, we never see you with a diamond ring on yet. We don't see no jewelry upon you yet. You notice that my ring upon my hand 5 years from 2019 till now. When we buy this 2020, it's 2024. The only thing my chain did pop and I just have to keep on replace the blood clot chain and that is it. But when it comes to them baguettes, do you know what baguettes is? But to the name blood clot. Bling, I can't even live up to the name. Bling what? I want you to come bling out my bottle so I can poop in your blood clot mouth because you chat too much. Why anytime I quiet to the one come rush me? Why don't I call me name and I know some I got walk on like a dog shit? I don't know some I got deal with on a case. Why? Because I ignore you bitches most of the time? Bling. Go be a mother. That's if you do. Can you see the belly where you have right there, sir? That remind you your motherhood every blood clot there. Because remember somebody told me to have pitney afterwards. And when me have period, my belly blow out a little bit and them something there. But remember say your belly flat and run over and your blood clot pussy. Me know say you have to lift up them belly there for you shave and them something there. Me not have to do them something there. When me pregnant, my man used to have to shave my pussy for me because me have good blood clot kid's father. My kid's father now fuck my daughter them. My kid's father now me not Me can leave the house. I mean, I have to worry about them. I fuck off my pitney. When them get stepfather, the stepfather, them I did a fuck off my daughter them either. And them something them for have court case about. I've court case about to the real life. On a fucked up decision, the man them were on a take on a blood clot all the time on the sit down on internet while on a real life fuck up and sad. That's why you have to sit down in front of the computer like this now. Oh my love. Oh my love. Bro, when we look upon you, we can see the earth, we can see the transgression, we can see say you fuck up. You see you live for blood clot views, that's it. You buy views. Remember some expose your fake page, that's why you have to block me, you know. Cause me say but you did have 10k or 20 something and not even 50 blood clot likes a TikTok you go up on lately. Mind yourself, IT boss. Give your bossings when dear. Remember, so when IT meet me go for RT live the first time I say, yo, I come from Lava Sound, and him kick me off and blood clot live. Cartel, Vibes Cartel, Billa put me up. The video in the red panty and Brazil where Uno just say, Cartel put up the video from my old page long time. Cartel used to put me up till me week. Me no know Uno. Me no know Uno. Uno have to go viral for people, blood clot business. That's why Uno life fuck up. But if you really have a problem, bitch, come outside. Nigga, you block me and throwing shade. This is the only shades I respect, nigga. I talk direct. I run up on y'all bitches every time. As a chimpan blood clot Z.